Hi, it's Marielle and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm getting ready to mail the spreads that I made for my patrons in December, and I just wanted to do a quick video and show them to you before I send them off. So the top 2 tiers on my Patreon get custom spreads. Some of them are semi-custom. They fill out a survey ahead of time and let me know the kinds of things they like. And then some other ones are custom, where they can give me anything they want, very specific. So these are in no particular order, and they're also, I don't think, in any particular order as far as layout. Let's just quickly look through them. By the way, my Patreon is about so much more than just custom spreads. We have live streams and Zoom calls. We have giveaways. We have a Facebook group, challenges, exclusive videos, and other little fun stuff. Like lots of fun stuff, early videos, I don't know. There's all sorts of stuff over there, so you can check that out at patreon.com/planningwithbumble. And the link is always in the description box. So thanks for considering joining. We have a lot of fun over there. This first spread is for Stephanie. And by the way, some of them will have notes and some won't. And that's because I just haven't written all the notes yet. So just so you're aware. But this one's for Stephanie. She's new to Team Wallace, and she said she likes the Paper Raven Company sticker book, so I decided to use that for her this month. I used some Dragonfly washi tape, some real wide washi tape, and then put some of those stickers in. I love the addition of the butterflies in there. I just think it's really pretty, and I call it Peace and Tranquility. This is a big Happy Planner spread, by the way. Another big Happy Planner spread goes to Alex. Alex is on Team Bumble. That's the highest tier, so she's able to request stuff. And she requested a back to school spread because she's a teacher. So I used the, oh my gosh, which one? One of the teacher sticker books. I can't remember what it's called. I did not write it down. No. Wait, let me look. It is called Brave Teacher, and I think it's so cute. Lots of like muted colors in here. I think it's super fun, and I like the way it's laid out. Also threw in some grid washi tape too. The next spread is for Sherry. This is a big Happy Planner spread, and I used the Modern Farmhouse sticker book because I know she likes that. This is the original Modern Farmhouse. I really think it's pretty. I love the little clusters of circles, just for something different. And I call it Gentle Joys. Oh wait, did I tell you what I call the last one? School stuff. Real original. Gentle Joys. I don't know. It felt joyful and very peaceful. The next one is a vertical layout classic Happy Planner. This one is for Ellen, and I did not name this spread. We need to name it. So obviously this is a Disney dog spread because I know Ellen likes Disney and she likes dogs. So this is a ridiculous name. Let's call it Once Upon a Woofer. I didn't put anything in the sidebar of this spread because I really thought I wanted all the design to be right here. And if I put something in the sidebar, I felt like it would take away from what I'm trying to do in the middle, which was cluster boxes, not even cluster, like butt boxes up against next to each other. Wow, that was a weird sentence. Big blocks of boxes. I thought that was pretty cool, and then just put a few, like a sprinkling of dogs, so to speak, in the rest of it. So I felt like if we put anything over there, it might take away from this. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but sometimes I feel that way. So there you go. This one is for Allie. She's new to Team Wallace, and this is a classic, well, this got a little bit bent. This is a classic vertical spread. And I call this one Lemonade Spritz, and I used the Live Love Posh Fruits and Florals sticker book for this, and also some Live Love Posh black grid washi. These boxes came from Mojo Jojo Plans, and then I drew these little yellow and green boxes myself just for a touch of, I don't know, whimsy, kind of fun. I love color on top of black stuff. It makes it pop, and I felt like this was definitely a pop kind of spread. So I hope Allie likes it. I'm always a little bit nervous when people join Team Wallace or Team Bumble. I want to do things, great for them. And yeah. By the way, if you are someone who really wants to get on Team Wallace or Team Bumble, really the only way at this point, not the only way, but the easiest way would be to join my Patreon at a low level. So I have levels from $5 up to $100. And so if you join at the $5 level, I always tell my patrons when I know ahead of time, I don't always know ahead of time, but when I know that someone's dropping out of one of the top tiers, I put a post on Patreon and say, hey, by the way, there's going to be an opening. Or I say, oh my gosh, there's an opening right now. And then you know, go and grab it. And that way they know before the general public, because I think that's only fair. A lot of them have been waiting for a long time for it. So I wanted to give, you know, everybody there an equal chance. So is it impossible to get it if you're not a patron? No, because it's open to the general public, but chances are you're not going to be checking constantly to see if there's an opening, and it's usually snagged pretty quickly. So that is the best way. I've had people ask me that before. Not trying to sell you on it, just trying if you really are interested in that. Okay, this is another classic spread. This is for Bev. I love this. I use the I Love Stickers sticker book. I call it Sticker Frenzy. And I also used these boxes, like the boxes are from Bright. Oh my gosh, the new one. Bright boxes, yeah. The Mega Sticker Book and the BAMs, right? Yeah, the BAMs. Anyway. I took a black pen and went inside the BAMs to make them a little more special. And we've got an avocado party going over here. I love these squiggles. I think that's super fun. So it's just a fun party kind of spread for the new year. Okay. Jennifer this month got a Woodland Seasons sticker book spread. Wow, I can't speak today, but we're going to keep going. She likes the Woodland Season sticker book, so I used it in her spread this week. This is one of my favorites this time, I think. It's called A Week in the Woods, and I drew a couple of boxes myself, but I didn't think I loved this sticker book. I really do love it in this spread. I add a little bit of paper here. I just think the colors match. I just think it's really fun and feels like, I don't know, a spread in the mountains. I don't know. I really like that one a lot. I like them all. I'm not playing favorites, but if I was, I think I'd pick that one. Okay, so this one's called Wild Thing, and this one is for the other Ellen. We have two Ellens on Team Wallace. I used the Wild Jungle sticker book for this one, and lots of little boxes here, so it's a different look instead of like that last one. Now we get a lot of little stuff in it, and I like it. I think it's fun. I think it's a little wild and free, you know? It's just like animal time. And I didn't name the animals. There's too many. But I'll name these two because they're separate from the boxes. Let's name this guy Zebra. Obviously Zach, but we're not going to call him Zach. We're going to call him Zeke. Real original as well. And this one is Teresa. Teresa and Zeke are boyfriend and girlfriend. Not telling the stories right now. This is a quick video, you guys. The next one is for Marisol. This is a big happy planner spread, and I obviously used Miss Maker. I call it Make All the Things. I did also draw a few boxes myself that are like little frames, and I put some pink around the inside. I don't know. I like it a lot. I love like big stickers, and I think Marisol does too. So, and we all love crafts, and we all love making stuff. So I like this one. This one is for Denise. I know Denise likes whimsical spreads. We talked about it before, and this one was using the new Butterflies and Bloom sticker book and the large Beloved Butterfly sticker book. These are baby sticker books, but you wouldn't be able to tell because they pertain to anyone. Even Sweet Little Joys could pertain to anyone because you should like think of all the sweet little joys in your life, right? And I love how simple this is. I love the fact that there's a lot of white space. I think it's really cute. I decided to call it Magical Sky because it does feel magical. And I love the little sprinkling of stars and butterflies. Total 180 from that one is another big spread. This one is for Ashley, and I call it Totally Rad. And I used stickers from a bunch of different places. Some of the stickers are from Arch on Olive, like that alien and this and like that. And then I also used the the whatchamacallit, oh my gosh, the 90s sticker book from Happy Planner. And I used the 𝘮𝘗 bullet journal sticker book for some of the boxes and stuff. I think it's fun. I think it's got a cool whimsical vibe and a real 90s vibe. Yeah, I think it's rad. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next one is a self-care spread for Laura. And I used one of the wellness sticker books and some plaid washi tape here and there. I think it's very cute. We put in some silver boxes because silver feels like winter to me. And this felt kind of spring, so I toned it down a little. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying, but I do love this spread. And I hope Lara loves it too. And I told her to prioritize her self-care this week. Okay, we have 2 new Team Bumble members, which is the custom spread tier, the top tier. One is Darla, and Darla asked for a snowflake spread. And she uses a classic Happy Planner. I think this one is super cool. I used some paper I got from Amazon. Remember that blue winter paper pack I got? If you've been watching like my haul videos, I used some from that. I also used some boxes and snowflakes from Kellofaplan from her new seasonal box set, the Hello Winter sticker book. A lot of this is from. Threw in some washi tape, and I think it's so fun. Oh, and these came from Live Love Posh. So I call it Frozen Fantasy. I know it's not as functional, but I still love it. And Darla can always put more boxes on top if she wishes, or even write directly on that paper. And this is going to be a video, just so you know. It just isn't out yet, or maybe it is. I don't know. I don't know if you've seen that yet or not, because it's like time travel on my channel. Okay, the other new Team Bumble member is Bobby. She actually used to be on Team Wallace. Now she's on Team Bumble. And Bobby asked for a Sleeping Beauty spread. I call this one Once Upon a Dream. She uses a classic dashboard. I really ended up loving this spread. I put some paper in here. It's very pink. It's very girly. And I just think it's so cute. Some of these little boxes came from that same bullet journal 𝘮𝘗 sticker book. And yeah, I don't know. This one is just super cute, I think. I did use that same girl twice right there. That kind of bugged me, but oh, is that her too? Oh my gosh. Sorry, Bobby. A lot of them are facing the same way. It's sometimes hard to get away from that, you know what I mean? But I think this one's adorable. I love it. And I'm not even a Sleeping Beauty fan, but I like that one. Okay, next up we have a spread for Megan. This is also a video. It's going to be a video with that snowflake spread for Darla. I love this one. I call it Butterfly Bliss. I used that new feather, what's it called? Feathers and Flowers. Oh my gosh, wait. Can't remember. Yeah, it's called Feathers and Flowers, the new sticker book that just came out in the winter release from Happy Planner. And it was kind of hard to balance this color-wise, but I think I did a good job. I love the clusters of circles. You guys ask me a lot, how do you use circle stickers? And one way I do it is to cluster them up like I did here and like I did in the Modern Farmhouse spread. And this time I added a little bit of washi tape like I was taping the boxes to the page. And I love that look. It's kind of like collage-y. Added some of these Tim Holtz stickers in here for little quotes, and I think it turned out super cute. I hope Megan likes it. This next one was a video, and this one's for Donna. She uses a classic dashboard, and I call it Swanky Celebration. This was using the 𝘮𝘗 Gatsby sticker pack, and I think it's really, really fun for New Year's Eve. And these came from Live Love Posh Party sticker book, I think, but really fun and celebratory spread. This was also a video. This is for Gretchen. I decided to make a penguin spread for her, and I call it Penguin Party. And you can go back and watch this video. This is using the Kellofaplan Hello Winter sticker book in that seasonal box, and lots of fun penguins in this one. All right, that is everything. So let me know in the comments which one was your favorite or your top 3. Ready? I'm going to show you them again very quickly. We have Penguin Party, Swanky Celebration, Butterfly Bliss, Once Upon a Dream, Frozen Fantasy, Take Care of You, Totally Rad. I love that they're such different vibes. Like you have Totally Rad and then you go right from that into Magical Sky. Make All the Things, Wild Thing, A Week in the Woods, Sticker Frenzy, Lemonade Spritz, Once Upon a Woofer, Gentle Joys, School Stuff, and Peace and Tranquility. Let me know, and thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.